In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Pella order code in foodpanda. First, open the foodpanda app on your phone. When it loads, you should see the main home screen with a search bar at the top and different restaurant tiles or banners below. If the app asks for permission for your location, allow it so it can show restaurants that actually deliver to you. Once the home screen is visible and the list of restaurants has appeared, you are ready to move on. Next, look for a restaurant you would like to order from and click on it. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to type the restaurant name or a type of food like pizza or burgers. When you tap a restaurant, the app opens its menu page, usually showing the restaurant name at the top, delivery time estimate, ratings, and then the categories such as popular items or mains. Seeing these details confirms you are inside that specific restaurant. Now select the item for your order, then click View Your Cart. Scroll through the menu and tap on an item you want. A detail screen will appear for that item, with options like size, spice level, or add-ons if the restaurant offers them. Choose the options you prefer, then tap the button to add it to your cart. After you add at least one item, look for the cart button, usually at the bottom of the screen showing the number of items and the current total. Tap View Your Cart so you can see a summary of everything you are about to order, including prices and any delivery fee. Once that is ready, click Review Payment and Address. On the cart screen, you will see your items, the subtotal, delivery fee, and a button that says Review Payment and Address near the bottom. Tap that button. The next screen shows your delivery address at the top and payment methods below, such as cash on delivery or card options. If you see your address and payment section, you are in the right place to add the Pella order code. A common beginner mistake here is rushing past this screen and placing the order before applying the voucher, so pause here for a moment. From there, click Apply a Voucher, then type Pella order exactly as it is into the text field. When you tap Apply a Voucher, a small box or panel appears with a field where you can enter a code. Carefully type PEHLAORDER in all capital letters, with no spaces before or after. Many codes are case-sensitive and an extra space can cause an error, so double-check each letter. Once the code is typed correctly in the box, you are ready to redeem it. Finally, tap the Apply or Redeem button. Right after you tap it, the app checks the code and the discount appears in your order summary as a voucher line. And your total should decrease if the code is valid for your account and order. You stay on the same screen, but the new total reflects the Pella order discount immediately without needing to save anything else. You have now used the Pella order code in foodpanda to get a discount on your first order. So if this helped you save today, please give the video a thumbs up, and if you like clear guides like this, feel free to subscribe as well.